Hey, welcome to the channel. Here in the video, we are going to talk about Wiimmfi Error Code 2100. Before we proceed, we want to let you know that we used AI for the voiceover and some graphics. However, all the information shared has been manually researched and is not AI generated. As per our research, the error comes when users try to connect their DS games to the online servers. Some users reported facing the error while using an unmodded DSi XL, and others mentioned getting the error on the Dolphin emulator when trying to get past the connection screen. According to our research, this error may happen due to incorrect DNS settings, incompatible Wi-Fi modes, incorrect server configuration in Wiimmfi, or server-side issues. To deal with the error, the first thing we suggest is to check your DNS settings. If the DNS is not correctly set or is being overridden, you may face this error. So, go to your network settings and manually set both primary and secondary DNS to 178.62.43.212. Then check if this helps with the error. If the error still comes, then log into your router settings and change the Wi-Fi mode. If your router is currently set to GN mode, switch it to 802.11b/g/n. Chances are some older devices like the Wii do not work properly with GN mode. So make these changes and check if this resolves the error. If the error still persists and you are using Wiimmfi, then go to the game settings and navigate to the fifth category and make sure the private server is set to Wiimmfi and check for the error again. At last, if the error still persists, then it could be a server-side issue. To confirm, visit wiimmfi.d/stat/m=8 and check the server status. If the servers are down, you need to wait and try again later. That's all for the video. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. Thank you.